Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for protecting your personal information in the digital age. The Identity Theft Protection Roller Stamp. If you're concerned about safeguarding your privacy, this could be the perfect solution for you. This roller stamp is designed to efficiently and effectively block out sensitive information on documents. Whether it's addresses, account numbers, or personal details, simply glide this roller over the text, and it's instantly obscured. It's incredibly straightforward. Just remove the cover and swipe to cover your information. The wide roller makes quick work of larger sections of text, saving you time. It comes with 6 free refills, ensuring you're always ready to protect your information. This product isn't just about convenience, it's about peace of mind. With identity theft on the rise, tools like this are essential. Imagine no more struggling with markers or manually scratching out details. It's a game changer. Plus, it comes with a money-back guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction. It's a small investment that can save you from potential headaches down the road. Overall, the Identity Theft Protection Roller Stamp from Vantamo is a standout product in its category. It offers practicality, security, and peace of mind, all wrapped up in a simple yet effective design. If you're serious about protecting your identity, this is a tool worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. See you next time on Product Critique.